This video will review how to put an electronic sticker on an exhibit. First, the exhibits have to be PDF files and you need to download them. So if you've just received it in an email, it's not enough to open the file, you have to download the file. Make sure the file then is associated to Adobe Reader. If not, right-click on the file, choose Open With, make sure it's Adobe Acrobat. You can choose another app, select it if it isn't, and make sure it's always associated to Reader. Then, open up the exhibit and search for the exhibit sticker. This is assuming you've already installed the eSticker program. If you type in the word stamp, you're going to add a stamp. Click Add Stamp, which is from the Tools menu. You could have also gone over to All Tools. And here, under Add Stamp, make sure you click on the drop-down arrow here, and you choose ExhibitSticker.com Promo Sticker. There's only one choice of sticker. When you click it, it's attached to your mouse. Move your mouse to where you want the exhibit sticker to go. And once you have finished moving your mouse, then left-click on your mouse button. That will now allow you to put in the description. Whatever you want to call it, Exhibit 1, Plaintiff's Exhibit. Type in whatever you want it to be called. And after you do that, click OK. Your mouse will still show that there's another exhibit sticker, but just move your mouse away from the file, and you'll see that now it's just changed back to an arrow. At this point, you want to print to PDF. So you can either go to the menu and choose Print, or you can do Control P. When you do this, and the print menu opens up, this is where you're going to flatten it. The term flatten means you're saving it and locking it onto the file so that it cannot be removed. Much like pulling the exhibit sticker off of a physical sticker and putting it onto the piece of paper, and that way it cannot come off. We call that flattening when it's an electronic exhibit. You must choose your printer of Microsoft Print to PDF and then click the Print button. Depending on how large the file is, it may take a moment, and then when it comes up to Save Print Output As, name the exhibit. You can use the same one if you want, the same name, or add on something to the end of it. Let's say this is Exhibit 1. When you rename it, you'll still have the original file that was sent to you from the lawyers, the attorneys, and then you'll have the one that you've put the sticker on. Verify where you plan to save it, and then click Save. I'll just put it in the Downloads folder for now, click Save, and now I have created a stamped exhibit that's on my PDF file. I'll go back and we'll take a look. So you'll end up with two of them. Here is the one I just did. And you can see there's my exhibit. I cannot move it. It is flattened onto the exhibit. That's how you put an exhibit sticker electronically on a file. Again, the file has to be a PDF and it has to be associated or opened with Adobe. And Adobe Reader is a free application as well. Follow these steps and you should have no problem putting on exhibit stickers.